How to book a flight in Airfrance. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll teach you how you can book a flight in Airfrance. So what do you do first? The first step is to sign in into your account on Airfrance, and then once you're signed in, you would see your profile icon and your name by top right corner of the screen, and then your country, your language, and then by the left side of the screen, you'll see a tab right displaying option or a menu displaying options like book a flight, check in, my booking information. So ensure you're on the book a flight tab because there are other options like check in, my booking information. But ensure you are on book a flight. So once you're on this page and it has loaded, you would just scroll down until you see book a flight. And then once you scroll down, let's move down. Once you scroll down, the first option here is round trip. So you can select it and then change the kind of trip you want. You could select one way, multi city, just select the one you want. And then the next step is to select departure date, departure and then arrival point. All right, just select it. Then once you're done selecting, you have to choose a date. You have to choose a date and you have to select the kind of is it an adult, is it how many persons are going for the trip. You just if you want to add more passenger, you can just click on add passenger, and then once you're done you can select the kind of flight it is. Let's scroll down. Is it economy or premium economy or business? Select the one that you can afford and then click on search flight. So once you click on search flights, flights available for those destinations would be searched for and displayed. So once that's loaded, this is the first stage of the booking process, and then you can see the flights available. You can see the one from today's date or the day you picked, and then you can see the amount. So you can just check through to see the one that applies to you. So then you can decide to filter the flights by the price. You can decide to filter the flights by times, by stops, by duration, or by airlines, depending on the one you want. So this is one, yeah. And this is the lowest fare. This is lowest amount, and this is only three, six seats are the only ones left. Then you can scroll down to check other options, but then you can just select anyone that you feel you can afford. And once you've selected it, another page will be displayed where you can see the different kind of flight. There is light, there is that is different kind of packages under the economic flight for Air France, and there is the light, there is the standard, and also there is the flex. So each of these flights would have its own peculiar functions in helping you add some things to your flight to make you more comfortable. Right. For example, for standard now, the comfort is more because there are things that you can add to it, and then for flex, you can refund your it can be refunded, all right, of your money. That is one of the advantage. So you can just go ahead and select the one that you can afford. All right, for me, I'll just go with USD 1,000 naira, and then you can just scroll down here to continue. If you want to change it, you can. If you don't want, you can just click on continue to passengers details. But ensure you read through all of this to ensure that you know what you're signing up for. All right. So once you're on this page, the next step is for you to add passengers information. All right, and then you can decide to add a profile picture if you want. Then just scroll down. Now if you want special assistance, you can just click this toggle here. If not, just click on continue. Okay, so after clicking on continue, you will go to the page where you'll be asked to enter your contact details. So just scroll up now and then enter your contact details in here. All right, so to enter just enter in your contact details, and then once you're done, click on continue, and then from there you would also be directed on how to carry out extra options like baggages, other options, etc. And then once you're done, click on movements. So you move to the movements page, a payments page. Sorry, payments page where you make payments for the flights, you make payments for the necessary things, and from there you would be able to book your flight. So it is very very simple to book your flight on Air France. Very very simple. Ensure you try it out today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.